Burnout is a growing problem in today's fast-paced work environment. Many people feel exhausted, overwhelmed, and disconnected from their jobs. Burnout is more than just being tired. It affects your physical health, mental well-being, and even your career success. Recognizing the signs of burnout is the first step toward change. Common signs include constant fatigue, irritability, lack of motivation, and difficulty concentrating. You might also feel cynical about your work or question your own abilities. If these feelings last for weeks or months, it is important to take action. Burnout often happens when work demands exceed your ability to cope. Long hours, high stress, and unclear expectations can push you to the limit. When your job takes over your life, it is easy to lose balance. This imbalance harms not only your productivity, but also your happiness. Finding balance means setting boundaries. Learn to say no when your plate is full. Prioritize your tasks by focusing on what matters most. Taking breaks throughout the day is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Short walks, stretching, or even a few minutes away from your desk can recharge your energy. Another important step is to manage stress effectively. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling can help calm your mind. Physical exercise is also a proven way to reduce stress and improve mood. Regular sleep and a healthy diet contribute to better resilience against burnout. Building support at work and at home matters too. Talk openly with your manager about your workload. Seek help from colleagues or friends when you feel overwhelmed. Remember, you do not have to carry everything alone. Sometimes burnout signals a need to rethink your career path. If your job no longer aligns with your values or goals, consider exploring new opportunities. Learning new skills or changing roles can bring fresh energy and motivation. Balancing work and life is an ongoing process. It requires awareness and commitment. Set realistic goals for both your career and personal life. Celebrate small achievements and practice self-compassion when things get tough. Remember, your health and well-being are the foundation for a successful career. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It is necessary. Burnout is a wake-up call to find harmony between work and life. Start today by listening to your body and mind. Make time for rest, connection, and activities that bring joy. A balanced life leads to greater productivity, creativity, and satisfaction. This journey from burnout to balance is possible. With small, consistent steps, you can reclaim control over your career and life. Choose balance, choose well-being, and choose a better future.